sorry, but of all the things you can put on a child's toy, why would you put a mosquito? So nowadays, Arrow gets sent more things than I do, but it's fine. This is the play gym from LOVEEVERY, and I'm so excited to build it, and so is he. Right now I'm on the floor with him. It's actually his nap time, but he's fighting this nap. He's smiling. Can you go to sleep, sir? Mama has to do things. Yeah. So yeah, this is just my life now. Trying to get things done while he's napping. And right now he's not really napping very well throughout the day because he does sleep the whole night. So he's doing like 20-30 minute naps. Sometimes he'll do like an hour. And the thing with him is that if he's awake, because you could just say, oh, while he's awake, just like put him on a playmat, have him entertain himself. No, okay? He likes direct eye contact at all times. Hence why I'm not looking at the camera and I'm looking at him, because if I start looking at the camera and he's looking at me and he sees that I'm not making eye contact with him, he starts getting fussy. So that's a problem. When I'm trying to like do work on the computer and stuff and trying to do things while he's awake, I just have to see if I get him used to just playing next to me. And I'm sure the older he gets, the better he'll be at like independent play. But right now, he just likes like direct eye contact. So this week, I'm very excited because we are getting shades. So it's been like 2 months since we've been living with these papers on the window. And one of my favorite things about this house is how much light there is in this house at all times. So not having that has been annoying, okay? Next week, looking forward to that. I swear when I do laundry in this house, like the whole house starts vibrating, like out of nowhere. What is that? What is that, dude? So I got this play mat right here. It is the softest, squishiest mat ever. And I just have his LOVEEVERY play mat. And I got this thing. I actually saw this on TikTok. It has really good reviews and it actually entertains him. So yeah, I have both of them on here. Obviously, I'm gonna make him like his own play area in the future. But for now, this is what we have. I have like all of these little crinkly things, which he's obsessed with right now. And this one. And I just try to keep it simple and rotate him. I do tummy time on both. And right now he's like learning how to roll over and stuff. So yeah, this is actually double-sided. But I like this one because I'm planning on doing like a vintage car theme in his room. So I wanted to get something with like a track. And I'll most likely layer, because it's not the biggest thing ever, I'll most likely layer this on top of another rug or something. There's nothing that drives me more well, this is a lie. There are plenty of things that drive me more crazy than this, but this is definitely in the top of the list of things that really bother me. And it's when I go to clean a mirror and there's streaks all over the place. Okay, I tried streak-free Windex and it works, but I feel like it could be better. So I heard good things about this, the Sprayway glass cleaner. I got a 3-pack because Amazon is just so extra about everything, and they only have Prime for like bulk purchases. Comes out in like a foam, and it says it's ammonia free and streak free. So let's try this bad boy out. There's a mirror right here. If you hear something, it is my laundry. As always, I'm just constantly doing laundry. Okay, yeah, the combination of this little cloth with that spray is like life-changing. That was so fast. I feel like with any Windex, whether it's streak free or not, you have to like be there and then like wax on and wax off for like 3 hours. This was just like pretty much just swipe it all off. Where has this been my whole life? 'For today's outfit, I'm just wearing these jeans by Naked, Adidas Sambas. This long sleeve that I just threw over my shoulders is from Pangaia, I believe. Tank is redone, and mejuri jewelry, and as always, the Prada sunnies. That's it. Oh my god, this smells so good. Lazy Sunday morning is the best thing I've smelled in a long time. By the way, I did my nails yesterday. I just did like a chunky glitter, an homage to 10-year-old me. Because I used to wear my nails like this all the time. Because I have to have them short because of the baby. And I just hate like short nails with plain colors. I like them either like a very light, almost completely sheer color, or something like this. But yeah, this right here, it smells really good. So, I know by the fireplace smells good. Oh my god, this one smells so good. So I've been trying a new like little skin tint cocktail. I'll show you guys what it is. But I've been mixing 3 things. Oh, phone almost fell. And I really like how it looks. It's giving luminous skin. And one of the things is a tinted sunscreen, but it's a very light tinted sunscreen. So I mix it with 2 other things because I ran out of my sunscreen and I got creative and I really like it. I do have a little... Gotta go. Good morning, everyone. If I'm talking low, it's because the baby's sleeping and he gave me hell this morning, so I really don't want to wake him up. It's like 7 a.m., so please excuse my I just woke up, or should I say he woke me up at like 5:30 in the morning, talking up a storm. I already put moisturizer on, and I'm going to show you the little cocktail that I was talking about earlier in this vlog. So these are the 3 things that I use. It's their porcelain-based skin tone-up beige in SPF 50, and I mix it with these 2 things. So I just put a little bit of this, a little pump of this, and this is just the Star Glow, and then like 3 or 4 drops of my Glossier skin tint. I mostly use this because I want more of like a glowy finish, and this is very pale, even for me, and I'm pretty pale right now. So this gives me a nicer color, and it also adds a little bit of glowiness because I feel like this on my skin could look like a little flat. I don't know. I have very dry skin. By the way, this is a mosquito bite. This is a mosquito bite. This is a mosquito bite. And this is a mosquito bite. So I'm just thriving right now. I just put a little bit, like that much, because this thing is like super potent. This, and I know it's like excessive, but I'm really trying to use up all my stuff right now. So I've been experimenting with like everything that I have, and that's how I came up with this little cocktail. And then like three drops. Sometimes I do 4, and I apply. the clip that I showed you in the car, you guys saw like what it looks like more or less after I put makeup on. But do you see how I get like a little glow? I gotta do something with this hair. It's really bad. Really bad. I kind of want to wait until after I eat breakfast. And I definitely need some of this. It looks like skin, but it just has like a little tint to it and like a little glow. Okay, my office is a mess right now. Please excuse everything. I will pick everything up and organize everything once it's just a hot mess in here. We still haven't painted these doors, but they're going to be putting the shades in the office today. Excited to have some light in here. And I wanted to ask you guys your opinion on, I have to take all this off because he doesn't even chill here anymore. He's growing by the day. It's insane. So I need to paint these doors. What do you guys think I should do? Should I do white similar to these doors where it's just very seamless? Should we lime wash it? A very, very subtle lime wash, nothing crazy because I know that I'll get bored of it. But Roger's kind of convincing me to lime wash it and I don't know. I'm torn. Probably gonna be putting a mirror here. And obviously I'm gonna pick everything up. I don't want anything besides the monitor and my laptop and probably like my headphones on the desk. I might have to leave the printer out because I don't have an outlet in here, which I regret not doing. I wish I would have put an outlet so that I can put the printer inside the closet. Maybe we could figure something out in the future, but for now, I think that's gonna have to stay there. I'm gonna do curtains after doing the shades and stuff to all of the rooms eventually. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do in this section. Probably, I don't know, either like a light or maybe some kind of like branch, like a vase with like a branch or something to kind of fill this space up. So yeah, I'll show you guys once the shades are up. Very excited for that. And we officially have new shades, guys. So excited. Here is the office. Still a mess, but I'm working on it, okay? Give me a chance. I started putting things on Poshmark and that took up like my entire day, so haven't been able to tackle my office yet, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Love it. And I am eventually gonna get a rug and a bunch of things. I haven't even thought about decorating, but I definitely need a rug for the living room. I need a lamp for right there. And it's a lot, okay? It's a lot of things that a house requires, especially a house that was basically gutted, but we're working on it. So it's currently being washed, that's why it's outside, but I talked about this in my recent favorites video. This is a stone bath mat. And if you're somebody that hates having water all over your bathroom floor after you take a shower or a bath, you need one of these. This just like absorbs all of the water and dries the bottom of your feet perfectly. And it's the best thing I've ever purchased in my life. I have this one for our bathroom and I have another one from the same brand, just like a different design for the guest bathroom. And it's seriously life-changing. It just feels like a stone. I'm pretty sure it's called a stone bath mat, but it's made out of like this specific material that absorbs so much water. It's crazy. If you wet this, it almost like instantly absorbs all of the water. It's the coolest thing ever.